Good afternoon, all. Good afternoon, all. First of all, thanks to Darshan Savaiwala who has coordinated with Kiran sir. आज हम सबको सर को सुनने की अपॉर्चुनिटी जो मिली, दर्शन ने काफी एफर्ट्स लिए. सो दर्शन भाई थैंक्स अ लॉट. और फ्यूचर में भी ऐसे ही जैसे अभी सर ने बताया तो फॉल होगा तब हम वापिस आपको और सर को याद करेंगे. आई वेलकम किरण जादव सर, सीनियर इन द प्रोफेशन of Aurangabad and Nagar branch, all my friends, those who are chartered accountant and sir ये program हमने open रखा था, so those who are not related to profession also. So this program, today's program title is stock market, the ocean of dreams. सर वो एक डायलॉग बहुत फेमस हुआ था, रिस्क है तो इश्क है. सर हरदम मुझे तो ऐसे ही लगता है कि रिस्क तो मैंने काफी ली लेकिन इश्क कभी नहीं हुआ. तो आज ऐसा लगता है कि आपके सेशन के बाद इश्क भी हो जाएगा. आई रिक्वेस्ट सीए पंकज सोनी टू एड्रेस अ वेलकम रिमार्क.
Good evening, everybody. I welcome you all on behalf of Aurangabad branch and Nagar branch for this wonderful session of a big and an eminent personality, Kiran Jadhav sir, for this a very, very important session in creating wealth. The magic that share market has in creating the wealth, if we follow it. हेलो प्रवीण, आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
आ रही है पंकज, आ रही है.
Right. The magic that the market has in creating the wealth is something phenomenal, which I have recently noticed. Kiran sir, because of this market and the valuation that it can provide for good investments, two of the persons from Aurangabad, they are in the top 100 richest people of according to the Forbes. So that is how a market can help you in creating the wealth, of course, but one has to be there with discipline, with knowledge, with study and with an hard work. बहुत लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि स्टॉक मार्केट एक सट्टा है और यहाँ कोई हार्ड वर्क नहीं है, कोई मेहनत नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. But actually that is the biggest myth about the stock market कि यहाँ hard work नहीं है. Because if you decide to do study and to do hard work, I know how much pain and how much hard work is there in this market. I am seeing my partner CA Darshan Savaiwala, जब से मार्केट में एंटर हुआ है आफ्टर डूइंग ऑल द टेक्निकल एनालिसिस कोर्सेज, सर पहले से बहुत ज्यादा काम करने लग गया है. So that is how I have seen. I mean, he is in the office at 8:30 in the morning and doing all the work. And the great advantage is when he is doing the work, I am relieved from doing much of the work. That is about the share market. So we should go beyond this myth about calling it as a satta market or just a market of pure luck or something like that. And today, by listening, it will helpful to us to come out of this myth. Kiran Jadhav sir, actually speaking, I will give an example. It is my personal experience. When you had office in that Lohia IT Park long back, I had been there for doing this technical analysis course that was kept by you. Ashish sir had taken a 2 days course.
Correct.
But honestly speaking, after that course, I didn't implement it continuously. I didn't do that study and all. So I couldn't sharpen my skills, as it is, doing the technical analysis and all this thing is like riding a bicycle. You have to be continuously practicing it. But at that time, Darshan was not aware about anything. And since last 2-3 years, he has done all these courses and he has taken efforts. He has read lot many things. He has done lots of study, and now he is doing very good technical analysis. So this is particularly for those people who think that there is no study, there is no efforts to be put in. that is absolutely wrong. One has to do lots of study, one has to put lots of efforts, and of course one should have a good amount of money so that it can help in creating the wealth. So that is all about my opening remarks. Over to you, Praveen.
Thank you, Pankaj. Kiran sir, just Pankaj said that we have two personalities, those who are into a top 100. So audience, आप भी सुन ही रहे हो, तो we have already some examples, those who have created wealth in share market in Aurangabad itself. So that is a great knowledge sharing. Now I request Sandeep Desada to have his opening remark.
Thank you, Praveen. At the outset, very first, I am very thankful to Aurangabad branch chairman Pankaj Soni for accepting Ahmednagar branch request for joining this program. I welcome today's keynote speaker Kiran Jadhav sir. किरण सर, ये हमने हमेशा सुना है कि शेयर मार्केट में जब लोग आते हैं तो उनके जेब में पैसा होता है, लेकिन नॉलेज नहीं होता है, ये जानकारी नहीं होती है कि हमने कौन से समय पे कौन सा शेयर लेना चाहिए, कब एग्जिट करना चाहिए, वो मालूम नहीं होता है। और जब उसके पास पूरा नॉलेज आ जाता है तब उसके पास पैसा नहीं रहता है। सो दिस इज व्हाट द ट्रेजेडी ऑफ द शेयर मार्केट। तो आज की सेशन में हम लोग डेफिनेटली ये जानना चाहेंगे कि हमने देखा कि लास्ट ईयर जब पैंडेमिक स्टार्ट हुआ और मार्केट एक बुरी तरह से क्रैश हो गया, इट फॉल अराउंड 25,980 समथिंग, वहां पर उसने लेवल लगा दिया और लोग काफी डरे हुए थे और ये माना जा रहा था कि मार्केट यहाँ से और नीचे जाएगा, लेकिन मार्केट का रुख कोई नहीं जानता और मार्केट आज 52,000 ऑलमोस्ट डबल हो चुका है। एज पर द लेटेस्ट रिपोर्ट, जितने भी हमारी कंपनीज हैं उनका सबका जो मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन है, इट वाज जब फॉल डाउन आया था 20 मार्च, इट वाज 113 लाख करोड़ रुपए का जो वैल्यूएशन था, वो कल का जो लेटेस्ट वैल्यूएशन वो 227 लाख करोड़ है। मतलब ऑलमोस्ट ये डबल हो चुका है और हर कोई ये देख रहा है कि पिछले मार्च के बाद से आज दिन तक हम एक्सपेक्ट करें कि मार्केट में करेक्शन आएगा। 26 का 30 हुआ, 35 हुआ, फिर करेक्शन आएगा, सोचा सर 38 हुआ, करेक्शन आएगा, 40 हुआ, 45 हुआ, 50 हुआ, आज जो करेक्शन की राह देख रहे हैं और जो हम सोचते हैं सर उसके अगेंस्ट मार्केट में चल रहा है। और ये आई थिंक सर मैं ज्यादा मार्केट से रिलेटेड नहीं हूँ, लेकिन एक जो 25,000 पॉइंट की रैली हो गई उसके बावजूद भी करेक्शन नहीं है, तो डेफिनेटली यहाँ से आगे मार्केट कहाँ जाएगा। एंड मोस्टली आपने कहा सर काफी स्टडी उसके लिए जरूरी होती है। कई बार ये देखा जाता है कि हम लोग चार्ट का स्टडी करते हैं, पी रेशियो देखते हैं, ईपीएस देखते हैं, लेकिन भाव उन कंपनी के बढ़ते जो कहीं पर देखने में नहीं होते कभी कभी। सो क्या सर इन्वेस्टमेंट सिर्फ हमने जो उसका ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है वो देखना चाहिए कि साथ साथ में उस कंपनी का पोटेंशियल को भी हमने देखना चाहिए? सो मैं एक्सपेक्ट करता हूँ सर आप इसके ऊपर भी हाईलाइट करें और आने वाले समय में स्टॉक मार्केट आपके नजर से किस तरह जाएगा वो हमको गाइड करें। विद दिस आई एम थैंक यू टू यू एंड थैंक यू औरंगाबाद ब्रांच। ओवर टू यू प्रवीण।
या थैंक यू संदीप भाई। एक्चुअली संदीप भाई जैसा आपने बताया कि पैसा है तो नॉलेज नहीं और नॉलेज है तो पैसा है, मेरे साथ तो चीजें ही अलग होती है। मुझे ऐसे लगता है जो शेयर में लेता हूँ वो गिरता है और जो शेयर में बेचता हूँ वही बढ़ता है।
तुम जब बेचेंगे तो मुझको बता के रखना।
इसीलिए किरण सर यहाँ है, वो हमें गाइड करेंगे कि किस तरीके से ये सब मिथ्स जो है वो दूर हो जाने चाहिए और किस तरीके से टेक्निकली हमने इसमें इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए। मैं वैसे तो किरण सर का इंट्रोडक्शन बहुत बड़ा है, फिर भी इन शॉर्ट मैं सभी ऑडियंस को एक बार किरण सर का इंट्रोडक्शन दे देता हूँ। ही इज अ प्रमोटर, सीएमडी एंड मेंटर। किरण सर इज अ टेक्निकल एनालिस्ट। दो टाइप के एनालिसिस होते हैं शेयर मार्केट में, सर थोड़ा सा कभी तो कहीं तो पढ़ा था, एक फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस होता है और एक टेक्निकल एनालिसिस होता है। So Kiran sir is into a technical analysis. He is an author, commentator, and trainer, and SEBI registered research analyst. He is having a profound experience and precise prediction. His predictions are absorbed by investor through a spectrum of the media, including print media, television, seminars. सर काफी टाइम CNBC आवाज, जी बिजनेस, ET नाउ पे आते थे। At present, he is on exclusively panel of Z Business. He is also a faculty at many management institute across the Maharashtra, and he was first to predict the bottoming out of the market and start of the bull run in 2003 and 2009, which has been proven through his writing in Sakal newspaper. He was the first technical analyst who has predicted the Sensex target 8,000 in the bear phase of year 2008. तो सभी को याद होगा, the bull run of year 2009 and 2012 has also been precisely predicted by him. His experience also include bear phase of 1995 to 1998 and bloodbath that followed the tech boom, which took the market into bear phase for 3 years. His selfless work of wealth creation for common investor is appreciated from all corner of the countries. Now I request Kiran sir to kindly share your knowledge, and I request all the audience कि जो भी question answers रहेंगे will take at the end of the session. Thank you.
किरण सर, दर्शन आपल्या बायकोचं इतकं ऐकत नाही जितकं तुमचं ऐकतो.
Okay, thank you very much, everyone. पहले तो I am very thankful to Aurangabad CA Association, now Ahmednagar CA Association, to have me as a speaker, keynote speaker in today's session. So today's topic is really close to everyone's heart. I'm pretty sure most of y'all are CAs over here, and you always talk about saving money and then creating wealth over a period of time. But the current scenario is such that, you know, the interest rates are coming down, and we are not beating inflation. So if the money that we save is not beating inflation, means we are killing our own money. So that is a big crime, is what I say. And I use this terminology crime in a very broader sense. So most important is we need to have an asset class which should beat inflation. So there are many other asset classes where you could invest. One is gold. So someone would invest in real estate, etc., etc. But in the last 30-35 years average, if you take down of all asset classes, gold has performed at around 11%. So we know that gold has rallied from, say, 5,000 in the year 2000 to 50,000 in the year 2021. But at the same time, you know, stock market has delivered even better returns. Stock market has generated return of 16%. So 16% per annum CAGR. Many people then argue then land is the biggest asset class where you should invest. Yes, land has appreciated, but land has appreciated to an extent of only 13%. So gold 11, real estate 13, and equity has risen by 16%. Now, when we talk about all these asset classes, the best part of stock market is it is liquid. So what happens is, if you the second best class is real estate, but when the problem with real estate is when you want money, the buyer is never there. When you don't need money, then you'll always find buyers, and that is the biggest concern of the real estate. So according to me, the best investment asset class is equity. I want to share a PPT. So could you make me a host so that, you know, it will be easy for you to also understand?
Sir, you are already a host.
I'm a host.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll share my screen so that you will see my PPT, and then it will be very easy for us to go ahead. Can you see my, is my screen visible? Okay, wonderful.
Yes, sir. Perfect.
So this is kind of awareness seminar. My company's name is Kiran Jadhav and Associates. So the intention is, I just talked about the intention. Intention is to beat inflation, and the best asset class is equity. So basically, I'm going to take you through certain steps to get the success mantra to make profits. So the first point is at the bottom. Avoid common mistakes made by investors and traders. So we need to understand what mistakes do investors and traders make. Then the second step would be to understand what successful investors do. So you have understood what the common mistakes are. Then you understand what successful investors do. Then we understand the method to select the right stock at the right time. So that is what we are going to discuss. And this will take you to the last step, which is the success mantra to make profit. So I'm going to take you through all these steps. So basic requirements in life, we need to understand what are the basic requirements of life. As it is said in first is roti, Obviously, all that we do is for roti. Then is kapda, and the third is makan. But now what is more important is peace of mind. If I have roti, kapda, makan, and I don't have peace of mind, it is pointless. So how do I get roti, kapda, makan as well as peace of mind is something that is very important. And all these things requires what? Money. So if you have money, you'll get kapda, roti, makan, and peace of mind because you are sound in your theory. So we are talking about the stock market. So I'm asking you: is stock market gambling? Is stock market a service? Is it a self-employed work? Is it robbery? Or is it a business? So we need to define what it is. And many of you, I'm pretty sure, have been investing in the stock market. So this question goes to all of you all: कि stock market यानी क्या है? Actually क्या है? So अभी अभी किसी ने बोला मैं जब लेता हूं तभी स्टॉक नीचे जाता है. So does the stock go down after you buy? The answer will be 98% will say yes. And does the stock go up after you sell? डर के बारे में हम बेच देते हैं and the day we sell the stock market starts moving up. और ये कैसा होता है मालूम नहीं है, but this happens with everyone. So I am always wondering, if everyone says this, who is the one who buys when you sell and sells when you buy? So there has to be some logic, and that logic is something that we need to understand. So I need to understand, why does this happen? Is this a science? Is it a psychology, or what it is? So a plain question to all of you all: how many investors make money in the stock market? How much do you feel? So I'm not taking question answers, but I'll just run you through. So it is said that only 2% people make money in the stock market, only 2%. So out of 100 people who invest in the stock market, only 2% make money. So 98% lose money. That also means जब सभी बोलते हैं कि जब मैं लेता हूं स्टॉक वो नीचे गिरता है, so 98% people are selling and 2% people are buying. And when the right time comes, 98% people come to buy and these 2% people sell. Now, what is it that is different between us and them is what we need to really understand. Okay, is it manipulation? We really need to understand, because I'm pretty sure you, me, everyone manipulate. And that is the reason why I've written last point as your car. Now, I would like to watch all of you all understand this subject well. I'm pretty sure all of you all have a car, and you have this car which is a 4-year-old car, and now you're tired and you want to upgrade your car. So you want to find a buyer, and you feel that I am a prospective buyer. Okay, I am a prospective buyer. Now, if you want to sell your car, which is now Khatara, because it is 4-year-old, how are you going to sell your car? Are you going to say, "Meri Khatara car hai, aap le lo"? I don't think you would say that, right? You would say, "Arey, meri first-hand car hai. I have been using. This is my luckiest car. आज तक पंक्चर भी नहीं हुई, आज तक एक्सीडेंट नहीं हुआ, सारा एकदम मक्खन जैसी चलती है," and all those things. You'll just go crazy telling me how good your vehicle is. And the moment you keep telling that how good that car is, you can demand. So let's assume your car's value today, market value is say 2 lakhs. You're going to sell it to me by 2.5 or 3 lakhs or rupees. And this decoration of words for your car is just to ensure that you sell your car at a premium to me. Am I right or wrong? So this is the psychology that even stock market has. When the market is down at the bottom, no one talks about it, but the intelligent people keep buying because they have a vision of the next 4-5 years. They buy, they take the market up, and when the market is up and they want to exit, they are going to create reports which are going to say that it's a beautiful buy, because now they want to offload. Now they start offloading and we start buying. And that's the reason why 2% people make money and 98% lose money. It is just lack of knowledge that we as common investors have, although we are educated, but we lack having the right knowledge, which is more important in stock market. So having knowledge and kya, I'll just give you an example. Reading newspaper, Economic Times, knowledge hai. So does this knowledge really work? I'm saying it does not work, because we have got 16 pages of Economic Times coming every day. So you're telling me you have been reading Economic Times for the last 10 years. So Sara 10 years ka 16 pages into 10 years, do you have all this knowledge, and what does this knowledge convert to? It is useless is what I feel, because many times these print media is also manipulated. Don't you feel when someone wants to sell, let's say I don't want to take names, but a big bull wants to sell, he would create a news that that suits the current market conditions. Because he wants to sell, he'll create a news that will be printed that the market is going to go higher from here. So we end up buying at a higher level, expecting the market to go up even higher. And that is exactly when the market starts falling down, because this is the time the person is distributing his shares. So we carry a load of that of those shares, which in turns is a supply. And when supply overpowers demand, actually the stock prices start coming down. So you have to always remember the example of a car. When someone is selling, he is going to talk good about, no matter who that person is. That is if you want to sell your car and you're going to do this is the same thing that is going to happen to the stock market as well. And there is nothing wrong. So my next question to all of you all: how do you select a stock? Which share should I buy, and on what basis? So trading based on world markets, strategies used by common investors, these 98%. What do? They look at the world markets. The Dow Jones is up, the Nasdaq is up. I become bullish. I start buying stocks, take long positions, and then I'm trapped. Heavy dependence on tips and rumors. I always wait for someone to tell me ki ye stock low, wo stock low. There are reasons allied to it, and there are XYZ reasons that have been used by you and me. So my question is, having used all these examples, all these strategies, have you regularly made money in the stock markets? So my answer is no. If at all you had made a lot of money in the stock markets, I'm pretty sure you would have not been listening to whatever I'm going to say. So and that is a real truth. And even if you have made money, I'm saying you would have made money, but not to the extent of 16%, 17%, 20% CAGR year over year. So once or twice, everyone makes money. Net of kya result hai? I'm telling you, most of the common investors will have shares that have gone down, and you will keep having those shares. If you have purchased a stock at 200, if it goes to 250, 300, you sell out and come out. And I'm 100% sure you will remember those names, because the stock is now at 1500 rupees. You bought it at 200, you got out at 250, and today the stock is 1500. And vice versa, all those stocks you bought at 200 and are at 20, you're still holding for the last 10 years. What have you done with the ROI, the amount of money that you have invested? It has all gone for a toss. And this is the biggest mistake that common investors do. Okay, so 4 R's of successful investors, which are these 2% people, are they have the right knowledge. So I just gave you the example of reading newspapers to create knowledge, and that is not the right knowledge. Right knowledge and knowledge are two different perspectives. I'm talking about the right knowledge. Okay, so right infrastructure. So you need to have the right infrastructure to be an investor, to be a trader. Third, right money management. So you need to have money management rules in place. कि मैं एक स्टॉक कितने रुपए का लूंगा, कितने स्टॉक्स मेरे पास होंगे, कितना ऊपर गया कैसे ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस लगाऊंगा, कहाँ किसके नीचे गया तो मैं स्टॉप लॉस लगाऊंगा. All these things are very important. And the fourth one is you have to be disciplined. You have to have the right discipline to be successful investors. And that is exactly what these 2% people have. Made be the best investors in the world. You talk about them and they are very clear. I'll just give you a simple example of Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is a wonderful person who has been a real investor. Okay, in the last 4-5 years, we have been talking about Bitcoin and everything, you know. So that is one craze that has taken a lot of toll. So basically what Warren Buffett has denied and has made sure he'll not put a single paisa or single penny in Bitcoins, because there is no product. He says this is all rubbish, and the basic fundamental is that there is no product. So if there is no product, on what basis is the price that which is being determined? So the basic discipline of his understanding is that if there is a product and if the product is going to be bought by millions of people, then he would be an investor. So I'm saying that is one thumb rule that even you and me should understand. I'm not going to buy in thin air. Okay, something that I don't understand, I'm not going to do. So having the right knowledge is what I said. Okay, so what is right knowledge? Which stock you should have an answer to it. Konsa stock lu? There are 3,400 stocks on the National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange, which is traded regularly. So usme se kaun sa stock lu? Then acha, I have decided that I will buy XYZ stock. कौन से price में लूं? If the current market price is right, और थोड़ा सा नीचे जाएगा तो right है, या थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाएगा तब right है. That is what I need to understand. Okay, I decide I buy. What is the target that I have to set? Minimum possible target. Then, and if the stock goes against my direction, then what is my stop loss? I need to have answers to all this. And what is the time frame for my investment is I need to know in advance before I put my money. So basically all answers to these questions, if I have, only then I will call it a right knowledge. Okay, so to understand which kind of stock, when to buy what, there are two kinds of analysis that you can do. One is fundamental analysis and one is technical analysis. So what is fundamental analysis? Okay, so we need to understand what fundamental analysis is. So someone from the panelists just talked about, you know, you look at the P ratio. You'll have a top to bottom approach or bottom to top approach, looking at the balance sheet, read the balance sheet, etc., etc. Yes, you are absolutely right. So reading balance sheets, understanding the product of the company, the cash flow, etc., the EPS, P ratio, book value, and all the other ratios, you can come to a conclusion that this stock is good, and you would start buying that counter. Wonderful. This is the best kind of analysis that you can do. Now, being a CA, you have got a blessing in disguise that you can read balance sheets, you can understand them. But the bad part of it is that can balance sheets be manipulated? Yes, they can. And I'm no person to talk to CA to tell them that a balance sheet is never manipulated, because I completely understand that all balance sheets can be manipulated. So manipulating balance sheets is one part. Second part is, can you know the future of the balance sheet? Because the balance sheet that comes to us in our hands is the historical balance sheet, which the company has done in the last quarter or last half year or last 1 year. So I have got the history of that stock. Does that history tell me that yes, this stock or this company's balance sheet will be a similar kind of balance sheet for the next 5 years? We have heard about disruptions, right? So, and there are big disruptions that are happening. So how do I understand that the disruptions are going to happen in this company? That, just to give you an example, there are a lot of memes that are going on these days on ITC. ITC current market price 115, stop loss 115, target 115, everything 115, and sorry, 215, whatever that price is. And the stock for the last 5 years has been trading at those levels itself. Is ITC a fundamentally good company? Yes, it is. For the last 10 years, L&T is one of the best fundamental companies in India. But where has the share price moved up? It is there and there. So there are so many good fundamental companies. And why talk about others? We'll talk about the best fundamental company or the highest rating company, Reliance Industries. leave aside the last 2 years or 1.5 years and go back the last 6 years, Reliance has been a terrific underperformer. So if you had invested your money in Reliance for the last 7 years, your ROI on Reliance is only 3% per annum. So you have destroyed, and I call it as a crime. So just looking at a balance sheet, and Reliance balance sheet is just wonderful. So I've given you 3 good examples of wonderful fundamental companies, and yet the price has not moved up. Now, fundamental analysis, according to me, and I'm pretty sure all the CAs over here will completely agree by the end of my topic on fundamental analysis, is reading future balance sheet. Now, no CA, no individual can understand the future balance sheet. It is a SEBI registered fundamental analyst who can do that, because he has the power, he has given the rights to go and talk to the company management. So this person goes to the company management, talks to the company management, understands the future plan, and then analyzes the future plan given by the management, talks to the second tier of the management, the third, and also the workers, to understand what plan the management has given. Is it percolated down to the last person in this organization? Because if this plan or the vision that the owner has, or the management has, is not percolated to the last person of the organization, the strength of that organization would be hampered. So basically, he understands top to bottom of the management. He understands from where the demand is going to come. He understands the market scenario. He understands the product demand. He does his ground homework, and then he arrives at a future balance sheet that, yes, if what the management says, then he actually writes down the sales numbers according to what the management has said, discounting the numbers, and then arriving at a balance sheet of 2022, 23, 24, 25. And based on the year 25, if today's market price is cheaper, he's going to buy. And if today's market price is expensive, then he's going to sell. So that is real fundamental analysis. So no matter, even if you are a practicing CA, a person who can read balance sheets, my point is, you cannot read the future balance sheet that is going to come in the years. And understanding the future balance sheet is very important. Now, there are people who are fundamental analysts, SEBI registered analysts, who do this work. Now, whom do they work for? These people work for FIIs, they work for HNIs, they work for DIIs, and all those people who are wealthy. They hire these people. Correct? Now, this report first comes to the fundamental analyst. You have to understand this very clearly, because this is where we fail as common investors. This knowledge is given to the rich people. They start buying, and when they buy, they will never ever tell you as a common investor that I am buying. Once they have done their full buying, so let's assume I have got 50 crores of rupees to be invested in that stock. When I finish buying my 50 crores, then I will talk to my friend and relatives, saying that this is one counter which has a big perspective. Now, why does he have to say this? Every person in this world is selfish, and you have to accept this fact. You and me both are selfish. So in a sense, all human beings are selfish. So what really happens is, when I finish my buying, I'll tell my friends and relatives to buy. The only objective to tell them is, I want to create demand so that my price, my shares, which I have acquired, will start rising because of fresh demand that is going to come up. And there is a simple observation that has been done, that one person tells at least 5 people, and if I'm worth 50 crores, my friends will also be worth that value. So automatically, I'm going to create 50 into 5, that kind of demand in the days to come. Now, these people, after they end up buying, they are going to tell their friends and relatives, and then their friends and relatives, and the price will keep moving up. So let's imagine, I've got a company called XYZ, and I get a fundamental research report saying that, you know, this stock which is placed at 100 rupees today is going to go to 500 in the next 2 years. And I buy, and because of my demand, the stock from 100 goes to 120. I tell my friends and relatives 120 to 160. Their friends and relatives, it goes to 400, then 500, then 800. Now this news is being spread. And as the price moves above the projected price of 500, that is where I would like to book my profits. Am I right or wrong? Because the fundamental value of the stock, real fundamental value after 5 years is 500. And after 2 years, I see the stock at 800. So I feel this is now overpriced. Now, because I want to sell, I need to create some buzz around this company. So because I'm filthy rich, I can manage the media, and good positive news starts pouring in from this company. And as this news keeps pouring in, what really happens is common investors are informed that the stock from 800 can go to 1200. Common people come into for investment, and me as who has spread this news starts distributing my shares. Now the stock from 800 goes to 900, but from 900 it comes to 400. And this is the biggest circle where people get trapped. I hope I've been very clear in understanding, making you understand how fundamental analysis can be manipulated, and we are what do you say? We are what do you say? Kind of bullied, and our wealth is eroded. Now, fundamental analysis, as I just told you, is future balance sheet. So how many of us can really make a future balance sheet? We cannot. So the only alternative for you and me is technical analysis. Now, what is technical analysis? Let's understand. My question to all of you all now is, what are the reasons because of which the price moves up and down? It could be the government policies. It could be the global cues. It could be a war-like situation. It could be natural calamities. It could be inflation. It could be crude oil prices. It could be elections. It could be fundamentals of the company. It could be news, rumors, whatsoever. It could be tips. And what happens because of this? If certain news are good, then we see exhilaration. If there are bad news like natural calamities, war, crude oil prices rising up, then there is fear that is created in our minds. So there are two factors which happen because of these changes that are seen day after day. Now, because of this fear and greed, what happens is, if there is fear, we come to sell shares, because of which we see supply in the market. And if there is some good news that comes in, we see demand in the stock prices, correct? And because of which price is formed, correct? So is it easy for us to understand the government policies? Is it easy to understand the global cues? Is it easy for us to understand whether a war is going to happen or not? And what is the nature of that war? How big that war could be? There are thousands of reasons why all these things happen. But the price is derived out of all this news. So can a price be manipulated? No, the current market price is the price because of whatever the news is, good and bad. So instead of finding out the various reasons to buy a share or not, I will decide to look at the price to decide whether it's demand or supply. Isn't that easier? So technical analysis is a study of price with charts. That is what technical analysis is. So if I look at the price, I understand that there is demand, and if there is demand, automatically greed, and there will be thousands of reasons why this demand is being created. If the price is going down, it is because of supply, which is the reason why there is fear in the market, and there are thousands of reasons why there is fear in the markets right now. So these are some small pointers that you really need to understand. Clear? Okay. So basically there are 11 to 13 parameters that we should look at before we come to a conclusion to buy or sell. So these are technical parameters. Okay. So it is very important to understand. Now, in the last 6 months, this is just 6 to 8 months, maybe a year. Okay. The best fundamental stocks, L&T, HDFC Bank, Infosys, Reliance, have given this percentage return, correct? In this same period, we have recommended certain stocks which you would have not heard. Balaji Mines, not heard. That stock has given a 184% returns, and we have recommended. I'm going to show it to you. Prince Pipe, 165% return. Dalmia Bharat, 100% returns. Venus Remedies, 93% results. Give me 1 minute. I will show you on our website that these recommendations have been given by us. This is a website. I'll just log in. Prince Pipe, recommended on.
Sir, we are not able to, Kiran sir, we are not able to see a website. But still, we can see only the stock in last 6 months. Wala,
Acha, sorry.
Praveen, yeah.
I will just share that screen once again.
I think maybe.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Yes, now we can see.
So we talked about Prince Pipe, right? So this is Prince Pipe. It has given a return of, it was recommended on 17th of November 2020. It has given a return of 164%. Tata Steel has given a return of 127%. And we are still on hold. And you'll see stocks. There are thousands of stocks which we have recommended. Venus Remedies I talked about. This is 97% up. Apollo Pipe 45% up. There are thousands of stocks which have rallied and given terrific returns. Dynamic Products. Now, maybe you have never heard these names as well. And these are stocks who have given, we talked about Dalmia Sugar. It is 100% up today. Triveni Engineering, 74% up. And we are still holding. Yeah, we are holding stocks like Gravita, which are only 8% up. Deepak is 70%. Sorry, 60%. And there are thousands of stocks which we are holding right now. So the point that I'm trying to make here is, how did I arrive at these stocks? I'll again share my main screen. Correct. So how did we come to how did we arrive to a conclusion that these are the stocks that have to be bought? And I'm giving you the best stocks that have performed in the last 6 to 8 months. So, and there were bad stocks as well. This is just not a picture that I want to say that I'm 100% perfect. No one is 100% perfect. So when we buy a stock, we have a stop loss in place. And when our stop loss triggers, we move out. The risk is very minimal. We are ready to take that risk and the stock moves up. Now, please understand, these are stocks that have not to be bought today because they've already rallied. Now the next breakout stocks have to be found out. So this technique is called as technical analysis. And this technique is what I want you all to understand. So before we move to technical analysis and even a bigger word on technical analysis, I would like to talk about the market scenario from here on. So basically up till now, what I've covered is there are 98% people lose money, 2% make money. These 2% people are fundamental analysts or technical analysts. Fundamental analysis is the best analysis, but it is not possible for you and me to do it because I cannot read or I cannot arrive at the future balance sheet. And for example, we just talked about these stocks: Balaji Mines, Prince Pipe, Dalmia Bharat, Venus Remedies, and all those balance sheets were maybe poor, but the future balance sheets would be great. And that's the reason why demand has caught up. And this demand can be seen on the charts. If rich people are buying, I can see the buying happening. If the rich people are putting their money, I have to put my money over there. If the rich people are selling, I'm going to sell my stocks there. And this concept of technical analysis comes from here. Therefore, I'm a big fan of technical analysis. It has made me rich, filthy rich. It has created amazing opportunities. It is one of the best things that has happened to me. And I am one person because my teachers, my parents have always told me that if you have knowledge, kindly share it with others, because when water is stagnant, it is not good. You don't drink stagnant water, but a flowing water is always good. And knowledge should be flown. It should be passed on to the next generation, and wealth should be created by everyone. So on those basis of my guru, my parents, I decided to share the knowledge that I have, and that is exactly what technical analysis is. So we now look understanding technical analysis. We need to understand that as a few people from the panel said, that the markets have rallied from 24,000 Sensex to 52,000 Sensex, and we feel that it is pretty expensive. So you and me really have to understand whether it is really expensive or not. And this market curve that I'm going to talk on is very important. This market curve is there across the globe. It is not valid only to the Indian markets. The markets goes through these curves no matter which country it is. Okay, so this is the market curve. Please look at it very clearly. Okay, and I'm talking about the market curve in the last bull market from the year 2002 to 2008-9. After the technology boom that came in from 99-2000 to 98 to 2000, the market went into a deep fall from the year 2000 to 2003. You all remember, right? You would have seen stocks like Digital, then Pentamedia, Pentagraph, then what are their names? Silver Line, and there were so many stocks which were 500,000 rupees. They are now trading at 3 rupees, 5 rupees. Himachal Futuristic, Global Tele. If you were in the markets then, you would have seen what wealth destruction happened, and people lost faith in the stock market. After which the market came down. Okay. Now you need to understand very clearly that there are. Can you see my cursor on the screen? Yes. So there are 3 vertical lines that I have drawn. Means there are 4 columns. There are 4 phases in the market. One is the stealth phase. Second is the awareness phase. Third is the mania phase. And the fourth is the blow-off phase. Every market around the world moves through these 4 phases. Okay. Now, what is the stealth phase? Stealth is we start when we have to construct a building. We go to the stealth, right? The bottom. That's the stealth phase. In this stealth phase, who are the people who are active? They are the market scientists. The market scientists are active. Who are the market scientists? The fundamental analysts. There are no technical analysts in this phase. Let me make you understand. They are the fundamental analysts, the real fundamental analysts who understand the future balance sheet. They understand when the demand is going to come, why is it going to come, what is going to make news from here on. This is what the rich people are. So I have taken a dotted line over here. Okay. This dotted line is a mean line, means it is the fundamental value of the country, the fundamental value of the country's stock market. So considering all the stocks, that will be the fundamental value, and the market in a bearish phase will always be below the fundamental value. That is where our red line is. Okay. And at some point of time, because of the demand from the market scientists, the market moves off and moves above the fundamental value of the country. And that is called as a takeoff. The market has taken off. And all those people who have bought over here, okay, they sell off over here because they have already doubled or tripled their money. They sell over here to ensure that they buy back because their vision is not 1 year, but their vision is 5 years. Now, if everyone is a buyer, then someone has to lose money, right? So for people to lose money, this phase happens. The first sell-off comes in, and what happens? There is a bear trap that is played, and the markets fall. All those people, lucky people who had bought, enter over here, and then the stock prices fall down. And they remember what has happened in the year from 2000 to 2003. They remember, everything comes haunting back, and because of which they sell off, and the people who had purchased over here, who have sold over here, start buying once again. After which the stock makes a new high, and as the stock market makes a new high, media attention starts coming in. The media keeps telling Sensex 50,000. Did you hear media talking about 50,000 Sensex in the recent past? There were big headings in the newspaper. You look across the media, the not the print media, the television channels and all. They were all talking about the market has come to 50,000. Why and all those. So there is still fear. If you talk to anyone on the road, even though the media is giving so much attention, there is fear. अरे क्या है मार्केट में कुछ नहीं है, सब इंडस्ट्री बंद है, फिर मार्केट ऊपर जा रहा है, एवरीथिंग इज हम्बग, ये सब नीचे जाएगा. और ये बोलने वाले कौन है मालूम है? ये ऐसे ही लोग हैं जिन्होंने बाय नहीं किया. So it is a kind of revenge work that is happening, and people are saying ki because I didn't buy, I keep talking that this rally is wrong. There's nothing wrong in the rally. It is clear demand and supply. So after some time will come enthusiasm, because now people will forget. Now Corona will go away, and then factories will start, and enthusiasm will come back. Okay. After enthusiasm comes greed. Okay, because people re-enter with that enthusiasm, and now this up move is pretty vertical. That's the reason why greed comes in, and because of greed, delusion comes in. Delusion means क्या? मैं किसी का नहीं सुनता. I am the what do you say? I'm the most intelligent person on earth. This is the feeling that comes in. Why? Because any stock that I buy moves up by 20-30% in a month. So it is not luck. It is my what do you say? My research that is making money for me. This is what people feel. That's the reason why we are saying it is a delusion. And a new paradigm comes. A new high comes. People go into a denial mode. Market कभी नीचे ही नहीं आएगा. जहां पे here people were saying in the still phase market ऊपर नहीं जाएगा, that same person comes in over here और बोलता है अभी नीचे ही नहीं जाएगा. Now all those people who have bought over here, they know कि ये ना overdose हो गया है. They are selling news. Good news are being printed in the media, published in the television channels, and common people are coming here and they are into a denial mode. What happens in this bull run? There are small corrections that happen, and all corrections are bought into, and we make a new high. So when this correction comes in, people say nahi upar jayega, and the move starts. But this time you don't touch the new paradigm, but it's a return to normal kind of. So, and once this starts, fear comes in, you are capitulated and you cannot sell, because the price that you have paid at 800 is now 400. अभी 400 में क्या बेचेंगे? थोड़ा सा रुक ही जाते हैं. इधर से वापस थोड़ा सा ऊपर आएगा तो बेचेंगे. And this kind of thought process takes the stock back to the mean, and there is despair, and people lose hope in the markets. And this is the sequence in which the markets move. So if you can all pull out your start your cameras, I would like to see everyone over here. So do you all really want to know where we are in this curve? हम इधर स्टिल्थ फेज में है, अवेयरनेस में है, मेनिया फेज में है, या ब्लो अप फेज में है? ये पता करना है कि नहीं करना है आपको? बिल्कुल करना है, बिकॉज If we are in the stealth phase, मुझे तो और सब कुछ बेच बाच के सब शेयर्स ही लेने हैं. But if I am in the mania phase at the top, तो मुझे सब कुछ स्टॉक्स बेच के बाहर निकलना चाहिए. Correct? So understanding this is very important. Okay, and now that I'm going to speak is very important. I am now talking about the current market scenario, and this is where we are. अभी भी मीडिया अटेंशन आ गया है. ये थोड़ा सा पुराना है स्लाइड, बट नाउ वी आर ओवर हियर वेयर वी आर गेटिंग वेयर वी आर गेटिंग मीडिया अटेंशन. अभी तो इंथुसियाज्म आना है. आप स्टॉक मार्केट में कितने लोगों को पूछते हो स्टॉक मार्केट अच्छा है क्या नहीं है, तो सब बोलेंगे नहीं है. तो अभी भी तेजी है, ये समझ में लेना चाहिए आपको. जब सब यानी रिक्शा वाला, पान वाला सब बोलेगा स्टॉक मार्केट में पैसा डालना चाहिए, दैट इज वेयर द न्यू पैराडाइम इज गोइंग टू कम इन. अभी इसके लिए 4 साल है, कम से कम 4 साल है, 4 से 5 साल है. वी आर टेक्निकली इन द फिफ्थ वेव. Fifth wave is the longest, the biggest, and the vertical one. I am telling you with 50,000 Sensex, and this is the statement that I had done 2 years back when we were somewhere over here in the bear trap. I had said the market was at around 30,000, 25 to 30,000, and I had said the BSE Sensex by the year 2027, 28 will be 1,50,000 minimum, 1,40,000, sorry, 1,40,000 by the year 2027-28. मुझे उस टाइम मालूम नहीं था कोरोना आएगा, येगा, सब आ गया, but we are still higher. There will be more destruction that will happen, but fifth wave ऐसा ही होता है. I have 100% conviction in whatever I am speaking, and this statement of 1,40,000 was done in 2017-18 when no one thought about these numbers. Even Mr. Jhunjhunwala, he spoke about 1 lakh Sensex in the year 2020, and I have spoken it on at Ganesh Kila Krida Pune में एक बहुत बड़ा seminar hall है. उधर we take an investor, we used to take investor seminars there. And there are around 3,000 people who attend it. We used to do it every year. Now, because of the pandemic and everything, we have stopped doing all these things. But this is on the social media. It is in the recordings. It is on our website. It is on YouTube. So you go and check on YouTube on my channels by the name Kiran Jadhav. You will understand that I have said this in an investors awareness seminar. And 1,50,000, I am saying 2027-28. ऊपर नीचे 1-2 साल हो सकते हैं, but that figure has to come. I'm not talking about the exact time frame, but that value that I'm giving has to come. Now there has to be a question from you at the end. अरे बहुत महंगा है आज ही मार्केट, तो कैसे जाएगा? And I'll tell you कि महंगा क्यों नहीं है. Give me some time. So this is going to come. So I am saying you have to be an investor at least till the year 2027-28. Let that 150 come, maybe 170, I don't know, but those levels come and we'll understand that we are at the new paradigm. We'll have a seminar once again, and that is the time I'm going to tell you, अभी सब बोल रहे हैं बाय करना, अभी बेच के निकल जाओ, 2 साल देखो मत मार्केट को, और उधर से वापस एक बार मार्केट 80,000 आ जाएगा. Because this happened in 1992, this happened in 1999-2000, this happened in 2008, this will again have, this happened in 2014-15, this will again happen in the year 2028, 27, 28, 30, whatever. This is a cycle that will keep happening. If you want to make money, dear friends, you have to enter it somewhere at the takeoff phase, which is the awareness phase, because stealth phase is not for technical analysts. But awareness phase is the level where you have to enter, and mania phase is at the top, is where you sell. I am telling you, this 2 phases that if you can enter every time, it will create wealth to an extent of at least 400-500% returns per stock. That's the kind of returns that you can make. And if you are the right sector, then things can go haywire. Something that you cannot imagine can happen, and people have made money using these techniques. So this is where we believe things are going to happen. Okay, So what options do you have now? If you really want to make this kind of money from, because we are at media attention phase, if you want to make money from media attention to a new paradigm, what are the options you have? You have to go do training. It is very important. You have to attend our technical analysis or use recommendations. So recommendations, I cancel these recommendations, because having recommendations does not make money for you, because the conviction will never come. If I tell you Prince pipe ले लो, तो आप बोलेंगे कौन सा Prince pipe है यार, ये stock क्यों लूं, इसमें कुछ दम नहीं है, and that stock will move 200%. आप बोलोगे रिलायंस बोलूंगा तो मैं लूंगा, L&T बोलोगे तो लूंगा, ITC बोलोगे, HDFC बैंक बोलोगे तो लूंगा, बट वो स्टॉक्स नहीं परसेंटेज रिटर्न देते भाई. स्टॉक्स वही है जो ब्रेकआउट देते हैं और बड़ा रिटर्न देते हैं. Classic kind of returns is what you get. So training is what I recommend. Okay, so learn. You have to learn. Can you hear this? Can you see this slide right now?
दिख रहा है सर, दिख रहा है.
हाँ, अभी थोड़ा सा आपको वॉल्यूम बढ़ाना चाहिए. This is Sonu Sharma. He is one of the motivation speakers, and उसने एक बहुत अच्छी बात कही है that I want you all to listen to. स्पीकर थोड़ा सा बड़ा करना, थोड़ा सा आवाज कम है शायद. And if you can't hear, we'll skip this. सुनाई दे रहा है?
नहीं दे रहा है सर.
Can you?
बहुत हल्का हल्का सुनाई दे रहा है सर, यानी फुल वॉल्यूम पे भी.
नहीं आ रहा है ना?
नहीं सर, नहीं.
नहीं sir, we need to skip that.
Yeah, we'll skip. So basically what he means to tell in this video is पैसा सबके पास नहीं आता, जो मेहनत करता है, जो सीखता है, उसके पास पैसा आता है. That is what he wants to say. तो उसने एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल दिया कि दुनिया की सारी दौलत एक जगह पे रख दो, सब 100% वेल्थ एक जगह पे रख दो, पूरी पॉपुलेशन के ले लो और उसमें इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करो वेल्थ, एंड आफ्टर 6 months कम बैक कि मेरे पास कितना पैसा है. जो सीखा नहीं है ना, उसके पास वापस जो पैसा था उसके पास उतना ही रहेगा. जो सीखा है उसके पास पहले जो कंट्रीब्यूट किया था उतना उसके पास वापस खींच गया होगा, और शायद उससे ज्यादा खींच गया होगा. So money always flows to people who are learned. Okay, that is what we understand from this. I'll again want to share my personal experience on this. In the recent past, you would have seen, there were big landlords who were illiterate, and they became landlords because they created wealth, or they got wealth because they owned a large piece of land which was sold at crores of rupees. They got these crores of rupees. What did they do with it? उन्होंने गाड़ी खरीदी बड़ी, ये उधर सोना खरीदा बहुत सारा. They entered politics, गुंडागिरी, and after 4-5 years वो पूरा का पूरा wealth zero हो गया. Have you heard so many cases? बहुत सारे cases हैं, बहुत सारे.
Yes sir.
And this is the truth of life. But जो सीखा हुआ है उसने अगर एकदम से लैंडफॉल वेल्थ मिल जाती है उसके पास, तो वो क्या करता है, वो सही तरीके से इन्वेस्ट करता है और उसको बढ़ाता है. So that was the kind of example that this person was giving, Sonu Sharma. You can find that same video on YouTube as well. तो उधर एक बार देख लेना अगर if things happen. So what are your options? It is learn, and we conduct a 2-day workshop. Now, since this is a online workshop, it is a 2-day workshop, and it continues till the workshop does not really finish. So for the next the workshop is on Saturday, Sunday from 9 AM to 6 PM, full time workshop, and whatever remains we'll cover it on Monday, Tuesday if the workshop is not finished. So we continue till the workshop finishes. evening 2 hours from say 7 to 9 every day. That is how we conduct our workshops. Okay. So and here it is not only technical analysis that we teach altered theories, which is very important. What do I mean by altered theories? Technical analysis was was invented way back in 1940s, and what happened then was people started following technical analysis and made a lot of money for themselves. But the age of 1940 and today's age of 2020-21, it is completely different. In those days क्या होता था कि if there is some news, तो वो news बहुत दिनों के बाद it is to reach the other people. So the growth was gradual. आराम से वो stocks ऊपर जाते थे and so on and so forth. Now we are in a jet age. So जो पहले 5 साल में होता तो आज 5 दिन में हो जाता है. So you have to really alter to suit the current market conditions. I hope I have made my point very clear by the point altered theories. तो ये altered theory आपको सीखना चाहिए. There are practicals that we conduct, and we give you free software for life, and lifetime support is given. So we will provide you lifetime support, no questions asked, and this is the kind, and this is all that we teach. We would teach you types of analysis, history and psychology of technical analysis, Dow theory. We'll teach you trends and trend lines, roles of volumes, moving averages, Japanese candlesticks, price patterns, indicators and oscillators, their psychology, stop loss strategies and trailing stop loss methodology, risk management, portfolio management, decision making from each subject, practicals of important instances in the last 1.5 decades. So this really helps a lot for you to grab this knowledge, which can be made use for your lifetime. Okay. So the next batch we have starts from 12th and 13th of June. So it's the next weekend. So we are lucky that we conducted this session today. So 12th and 13th is the batch. Thereafter, we'll see it in July. So there is only one batch per month, and it is all online. Earlier, it was to be a classroom kind of sessions. It was easy. It was very difficult कि आप औरंगाबाद अहमदनगर से पुणे आओ 2 दिन इधर रहो. Now you have the comfort of staying at your place, understand the importance and make money for yourself. I'll just take you to my website to understand how things are done. Just hold on for a minute. I'll share my screen. This is our website, kiranjadhav.com. All that you need to do is click on this basic to advanced technical analysis workshop. Click here. You can hear to this small video. Acha, I forgot to tell you that we have a 100% money back guarantee offer. So you attend this workshop, all the points are mentioned over here. You can read it. If you feel that whatever knowledge that we have provided is not worth it, so we refund you 100% of our fees. No questions asked. There are terms and conditions you can write. You can read it. Why should you learn technical? Everything is written here. And the next batch is 12th and 13th, maybe 14th, 15th, 16th as well, till the time this session ends. The best part of this workshop is this session is not being 99% of the, he is our best trainer, Ashish Kirkar. Most of from the year 2013 or somewhere, he is the one who has conducted all the workshops. Before that, it was only me used to train. I have trained him, and now he conducts. But he is down with COVID right now. He's come out of hospital. He is at home recovering, and I don't think he'll be 100% up to conduct this session next week. So after a long time, this session is going to be conducted by myself. So it is lovely that I'm going to conduct after a big amount of time. So if you attend, I would be the trainer for you all. The charges are given. You this 5th of June is today, but it will be very difficult for me. But maybe I extend this for your batch till Monday. So this 2,000 rupee discount, I will tell my team to give it to you all. You have to register here, okay? And before you register, I would want you to do one thing. Go to locate us. Please understand this. To get that 2,000 rupees discount, get in touch. Write your name, email ID, phone number, city. What are you interested in? You are interested in technical analysis training. Select this. How did you find us? This is very important. You go here. You have to say reference. Okay, reference. Your preferable time, whichever time you want us to call you. And here you have to write Aurangabad CA Association. You write it in full. CA Association. Okay, and enter this this code over here and send this message. If you do this, if you write your number this, then our team will call you, and you will get this 2,000 rupees discount as well. But everyone has to go through this. Locate us.
किरण सर एक रिक्वेस्ट आहे, मंडे नाही थोडा अजून एक्सटेंड करा सर.
बरं, आपण कधीपर्यंत तुम्ही सांगा मला.
सर मे बी ट्यूजडे ऑर समथिंग लाईक दॅट.
ओके, ट्यूजडे पर्यंत करू. काय असतं माहितीये का, त्याच्यानंतर आम्हाला आमच्या बॅकएंडला भरपूर काम आहेत. त्याच्यानंतर तुम्ही पेमेंट करणार, त्याच्यानंतर आम्हाला तुम्हाला नोट्स पाठवायचे असतात, तुम्हाला रजिस्ट्रेशन करायचं असतं, तुमच्याकडनं काही प्रिंट्स, आम्हाला तुम्हाला काहीतरी डॉक्युमेंट द्यायचे आहेत, तुमच्याकडनं आम्हाला डॉक्युमेंट्स घ्यायचे असतात. तर इट्स अ लॉंग प्रोसेस, म्हणून मला ते बुकिंग लवकर करायचं असतं.
ओके सर,
ट्यूजडे इज फाईन, मला काही प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये.
थँक्यू सर.
पण ट्यूजडे नंतर एक्सटेन्शन प्लीज मागू नका. इट बिकम्स व्हेरी टफ फॉर अस, कारण बॅकएंडला खूप काम आहेत. म्हणजे तुम्हाला ते दिसणार नाहीये, पण एक बॅच साधारण 60-70 लोकांची असते ऑन द लोअर साइड. तर 60-70 जणांच्या प्रत्येकाला मेल पाठवायचा, प्रत्येकाकडनं काही अंडरटेकिंग घ्यायचे असतात, तर त्याला खूप वेळ लागतो.
येस सर, येस.
प्लीज ट्राय अँड अंडरस्टँड, प्लीज कोऑपरेट. तर ट्यूजडे पर्यंत मी देतो, मी नाही म्हणत नाही, पण तुम्ही हे औरंगाबाद किंवा अहमदनगर हे तुम्ही इकडं सीए असोसिएशन हे लिहिणं गरजेचं आहे. जर हे तुम्ही लिहिलं नाही तर आमच्या बॅकएंडला कळणार नाही तुम्ही कुठून आलाय.
ओके सर, ओके.
तेवढं तुम्ही लिहा, तुमचं नाव, पूर्ण ईमेल आयडी, फोन नंबर, सिटी, टेक्निकल अनालिसिस ट्रेनिंग, रेफरन्स लिहायचं फक्त. कोणाचा रेफरन्स लिहायची गरज नाहीये. तुमचा प्रिफर्ड टाइम साधारणपणे काय आहे ते लिहायचं. आणि तुम्ही इकडं औरंगाबाद किंवा तुम्ही अहमदनगर कुठनं असाल ते सीए असोसिएशन एवढं लिहून तुम्ही मेसेज सेंड करा. इट विल बी हेल्पफुल. मंडेला तुम्हाला कॉल येईल तुम्ही दिलेल्या टाइम प्रमाणे, आणि मग ते तुम्हाला पेमेंट टर्म्स कसे करायचे, काय करायचे हे सगळं सांगतील. क्लिअर?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'll go back. So I think, एक minute, I'll just share my screen. So I was here, technical workshop. Fees money back guarantee बद्दल बोललेलो आहे. आणि तुम्ही त्या वेबसाईटला जाऊन जिथे मी सांगितलं तिथं आजच करा, म्हणजे ते रविवारी आमच्या बॅकएंडला काम होईल. सोमवारी तुम्ही म्हटल्याप्रमाणे तुम्हाला कॉल्स यायला चालू होईल तुम्ही म्हटलेल्या टाइम प्रमाणे. माझ्याकडनं एवढंच होतं सगळं बोलायचं. आता आपण वी कॅन ओपन दिस फोरम फॉर क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स. वॉट एव्हर यू फील यू कॅन जस्ट आस्क.
Those who are having a questions, kindly write into a chat box, and we'll give a question one by one.
Praveen, we can keep it open by
Okay.
raising hands also, so they can ask also.
No issues. Those who have a question, they can raise their hand and sir will answer it. No issues. We'll unmute them.
किरण सर, स्क्रीन शेअरिंग आपण आता स्टॉप करू शकतो.
सॉरी,
स्क्रीन शेअरिंग बंद कर देण्यात.
हा बंद करतो. ओके.
We got one question in chat box. Which chart can help us to buy and sell at correct time?
Okay, so KJ Charts is one chart which is our proprietary tool. We will give it to you free after you finish up your technical analysis workshop. This is an investing kind of chart platform. It is not for traders, but first you have to understand investing, then comes trading. It means first you graduate and then do post graduation. So we will not talk in this workshop about trading. We'll talk about investing. And for this investment, our KJ charts are more than sufficient for you to use it.
If market falls from here, how much downfall you see from here in Nifty?
See, we are at 15,500. We will not go below 14,800 now. Worst case scenario 15,000 ही पकड़ लो, 500 पॉइंट नीचे, 500 पॉइंट भी नहीं जाएगा. If you see, I think there are 2-3 points that I forgot to mention. So I will come to this point once again on the Nifty. So there are 2 things that you need to do. I'll again share my screen. You can see this website, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when you come to our website, what I want you to do, there are 2-3 things which are important. First, I'll log out. Okay. So, okay. You go to our website, kiranjadhav.com. There is a tab over here, free registration for Market Outlook Daily. Okay. You can click on this link. Once you click on this link, this is a free, there's a procedure that you need to do and you get registered. Okay. Check out and you get, when this registration will give you 2 products. One is KJ charts that will come for you for free, but then you don't know how to use, so wo to milega. But every day at around 6:30 in the morning, I give my view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Kaisa aaj hoga, kahan upar jayega, kahan niche jayega, and all this view you will get free for life.
Okay.
Okay, so this Market Outlook Daily is where you should register. Now, second is our free Telegram channel. This is also very important. What you do is you download Telegram on your mobile. Please listen to this very carefully. Confusion बहुत बढ़ जाता है. आप जो Telegram ऐप है, मोबाइल ऐप है, वो आप अपने मोबाइल पे डाउनलोड कीजिएगा पहले. उसके बाद ब्राउजर खोलिए और kiranjadhav.com खोल दीजिए. वो खोलने के बाद इधर टेलीग्राम चैनल का आइकॉन है, दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes.
इसको क्लिक कीजिएगा. and follow the next step, and you will get automatically added to our Telegram channel. उधर क्या क्या मिलता है ड्यूरिंग द डे. अगर मार्केट ऊपर जाने वाला है तो मैं बोलता हूँ इधर बाय करो फ्यूचर्स, अभी और बढ़ेगा, इधर बेच दो, नीचे जाएगा. दिस कम्स फॉर फ्री. ऑल्सो देर आर फ्यू स्टॉक्स दैट आई रिकमेंड, अब भी लेना चाहिए डिलीवरी के लिए. बट दिस out of 10 stocks, only 1 stock will be given on free Telegram channel. The members get it first. Then comes the free channel. So ये थोड़ा सा delayed news आएगा, but still people have made a lot of money from this Telegram channel. तो ये दो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. और मैं जो बात कर रहा था मार्केट कितना नीचे जाएगा, दूसरी चीज, आप YouTube पे जाइए. YouTube पे जाना है आपको. सर्च विंडो में आप किरण जाधव डालिए तो मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल आ जाएगा, आप सॉरी यूट्यूब चैनल आ जाएगा. ये आप इधर जाके सब्सक्राइब करो, ये फ्री सब्सक्रिप्शन होती है. आई हैव गॉट 80,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स नाउ. इसमें क्या क्या आता है, हर हफ्ते मेरा टेक्निकल वीकली आउटलुक आता है. ओके, ऑन आई थिंक 24th, on 24th if I'm not wrong, Darshan will definitely let me know कि मैं बराबर बात कर रहा हूँ क्या नहीं. But on 24th I have given a target for Nifty in till the month of July as 16,800. जुलाई तक 16,800 तक जाने की probability है. And since I was busy throughout the day, आज मैंने recording नहीं की, कल recording होगी, कल दोपहर तक ये अगले वीक का व्यू आपको मिल जाएगा. तो टेलीग्राम चैनल पे, यूट्यूब चैनल पे आपको सब्सक्राइब करना चाहिए. आपको ये फ्री है. आप देखिए इसका ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड पीछे जाके आप पढ़ सकते हो कि जो जो मैंने कहा है. आई फील प्राउड टू टेल यू ऑल कि मैं बहुत कम बार गलत साबित हुआ हूँ. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स व्हाट एवर आई हैव सेड हैज कम ट्रू. सो आई थिंक इट वाज ऑन 24th में, और मे बी इसके पहले वाला था. तो वन आउट ऑफ दीज टू मैंने क्लियर कट कहा था जुलाई तक 16,800 निफ्टी जाएगा. सो आई फील दैट मार्केट इज स्टिल इन अ बिग बुल रन एंड वी शुड ऑल बी पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दिस बिग बुल रन. सो नीचे आने की संभावना बहुत बहुत कम है. अभी अनफोर्सीन सर्कमस्टेंस आते हैं और थोड़ा सा नीचे आता है तो मैं बाय करने की सलाह दूंगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Sir, next question is, what is your opinion on equity SIP SIP irrespective of Sensex?
Equity SIP नहीं करनी चाहिए because it could be you choose a wrong stock to do an SIP. आप म्यूचुअल फंड में SIP करो और पहले तो अभी लमसम पे जाना चाहिए. उसके बाद you should start investing in the mutual funds as well. बट स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक नहीं. आपने अगर गलत स्टॉक ले लिया एसआईपी करने के लिए और वो बढ़ा नहीं, मार्केट बढ़ा, तो देन यू विल लूज अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी. स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक एसआईपी नहीं करनी चाहिए.
ओके सर, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट मूविंग एवरेज वी यूज टू ट्रैक. हेलो,
यस, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
व्हाट मूविंग एवरेज वी यूज टू ट्रैक.
टेक्निकल इशू आ गया है क्या किरण सर के वहाँ?
हाँ, आवाज, मेरी आवाज आ रही है पंकज?
हाँ, आपकी आवाज आ रही है प्रवीण. आपको आ रही है मेरी?
हाँ सर, कहीं तो स्टक हो गए शायद कनेक्शन में.
वीडियो भी ऑफ हो गया है.
हाँ, 2 मिनट में शायद रिजॉइन हो जाएंगे. या विल वेट. किरण सर, मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको?
एक मिनट, मैं दर्शन को बोलता हूँ फोन लगा.
हाँ, कॉल करेंगे. हाँ,
एक मिनट रुकिए. हाँ नहीं, he is back.
सर को अनम्यूट करना पड़.
किया मैंने उनको. आज तो
सर आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ, अभी आ रही है. आई थिंक आई गॉट डिस्कनेक्टेड.
राइट. So next question is, what moving average we use to track.
नहीं, there are various kind of moving averages. I use 5, 13, 26 and that to exponential. पर सिर्फ ये पता चलने से only one theory नहीं. It has to be a combination of 13 theories to come to a conclusion. Because in a sideways trend, moving average सबसे बड़ा धोखा देगा आपको. So सिर्फ moving average या सिर्फ stochastics या सिर्फ MACD या सिर्फ क्या बोलते हैं RSI इंडिकेटर्स एंड ऑसिलेटर्स यूज करना, ये बहुत गलत चीज है. ये हाफ नॉलेज है ना, ये बहुत डेंजरस होता है.
सर वो आपने जैसा प्रेजेंटेशन में बताया लर्निंग और रिकमेंडेशन, तो कुछ लोगों ने यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट रिकमेंडेशन मांगा है.
नहीं, कोई मतलब नहीं रखता रिकमेंडेशन. सी इट इज, मैं नाउ आई एम 28 years in this industry. In these 28 years, all that I have learned is it is very easy for an investor to enter the stock market. एग्जिट कब करना है ये किसी को मालूम नहीं होता. एंड दैट इज वेयर पीपल गो रॉन्ग. इफ यू लर्न, you will also understand when to exit, which is the most important है. See, right from Mahabharata times, Ramayana times, entry was easier. Exit was the most difficult thing.
True.
So we really need to understand कि exit पहले इंपॉर्टेंट है, रिस्क पहले जानना इंपॉर्टेंट है. हमेशा मुझे क्वेश्चन आ जाता है कि मैं अभी बाय करूंगा तो कितना ऊपर जाएगा. कोई पूछता नहीं है कि क्या रिस्क से बाय करूं, ऊपर तो जाना ही है उसको. ये कोई पूछता ही नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम है कोई रिस्क ही नहीं देखता, सिर्फ रिवॉर्ड देखता है. तो उधर दैट इज द बिगेस्ट और द वर्स्ट थिंग दैट अ इन्वेस्टर कुड डू. तो मैं तो कोई स्टॉक नहीं बताऊंगा.
ओके सर,
क्योंकि एग्जिट नहीं बता सकूंगा. दैट्स द ओनली रीजन.
Is anyone technical indicators that we can rely on it?
नहीं, that is I have already answered कि टेक्निकल इंडिकेटर से नहीं होता है. It has to be a combination of 11 theories to come to a conclusion.
Okay. Tell us about index funds, finger funds, Bs.
नहीं, we will not invest in Bs because then you will get only market returns. When market moves from 50,000 to 1,50,000, appreciation percentage तो you are very good at, but then stocks move up more than that. So I would want you to be invested in stocks which give breakout, which will have a double effect from the Sensex. So Sensex appreciates 200%, stock will appreciate 400%. तो stock specific view रखना चाहिए, जो breakout देता है वो, and then you have to churn your stocks because क्या होता है कि एक stock इधर से इधर जाता है, उधर रुकता है, तब इधर से पैसे निकाल के दूसरे स्टॉक में जो इधर से ऊपर जाने वाला है. So your money is giving you a multiplier effect.
Okay. Next is, I want to start trading in options. What necessary things I would require?
ये ऐसा हुआ कि मैं अभी नर्सरी पास हो चुका हूं, मेरे को 10th की एग्जाम देनी है या डायरेक्ट ग्रेजुएशन की एग्जाम देनी है. ऑप्शंस, ये पहले तो टेक्निकल एनालिसिस आती है, उसके बाद ऑप्शंस आती है. ओके, एंड ऑप्शंस इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. लगता है आपको सिंपल, बट इट इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग इन लाइफ. 99% ऑप्शंस एक्सपायर. इसका मतलब है कि पैसा लोग बनाते नहीं है ऑप्शंस में. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड स्प्रेड्स, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट कॉल राइटिंग इज. वो बहुत बड़ा स्टडी है. एंड ऑप्शंस is the last step that you should learn.
Okay. How to enjoy profit ride?
A trailing stop loss, वो ये वर्कशॉप में सिखा देंगे ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं.
सर कोई पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक पे क्वेश्चन है, वो हम लेंगे या नहीं लेंगे?
हाँ, मैं अच्छा है बुरा इतना बोल सकूंगा, बाकी ज्यादा नहीं बोलूंगा.
सर Motherson Sumi.
हाँ, yes.
Whether the stock is good for long term? If yes, then what is the right time to buy, or should we wait for it to?
नहीं, अगेन मदरसन सुमी लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए अच्छा है, नो डाउट, बट राइट एंट्री प्राइस क्या है वो चार्ट्स समझने के बाद ही आएगा. उसका स्टॉप लॉस क्या है वो उसके बाद ही आएगा. सो इट इज नॉट इजी फॉर यू टू टेक टिप्स. टिप्स से डिपेंडेंट मत रहो, ये मैं पहले से ही बात कर रहा हूँ. टिप्स विल ऑलवेज एंश्योर दैट यू लूज योर कैपिटल.
I am common man. How can we directly join you? We will give you your fees and you make money for us. तो सर शायद कुछ रिकमेंड, जैसा आपने बताया सर आपके कोर्सेज चलते हैं, वैसे आपके कुछ रिकमेंडेशन भी आते हैं क्या सर, जिसमें आप फीस चार्ज करके मंथली बेसिस या क्वार्टरली बेसिस पे देते हो?
राइट, जो वेबसाइट पे जो मैंने दिखाया अभी, जो रिटर्न दिखाया, तो वो सब्सक्रिप्शन के लिए ही है। बट जस्ट मैं अभी भी यही बोल रहा हूँ, आप सीखोगे नहीं और सिर्फ रिकमेंडेशंस लोगे तो आप पैसा नहीं बनाओगे, मैं लिख के देता हूँ। क्यों? क्योंकि जब मैं फॉर एग्जांपल जब प्रिंस पाइप बोलूंगा तो आपको कन्विक्शन ही नहीं आएगी प्रिंस पाइप क्यों खरीदूं, ये कौन सा कंपनी है। तो यू माइट नॉट बाय, एंड इवन इफ यू बाय तो आप 100 शेयर्स बाय करोगे। वो क्वांटिटी कितनी करनी है, क्या करनी है, पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट रूल्स, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट रूल्स, ये आपको पता होने ही चाहिए बिफोर यू इन्वेस्ट। तो डोंट गो फॉर मैं मुझे पैसा मत दो। मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ आप सबको कि आप अटेंड करो और मनी बैक गारंटी आप लागू कर लो, पैसा वापस आ जाएगा, पर पहले सीख लो।
ओके।
आपके पास 100% मनी बैक गारंटी दिया हुआ हूं, तो इफ यू फील यू वांट टू लर्न एंड स्टिल नॉट पे मी, तो आप मनी बैक गारंटी अप्लाई कर देना, मैं पैसा वापस कर दूंगा आपको, 3 दिन के अंदर आपको पैसा वापस आएगा।
And sir, one more important thing. I mean, by tips we have to take month on month, year on year for lifetime, and by paying the course ka fees, so even money wise that course fees might be lesser than that. I mean, that is individual choice what one has to do. Or yeah, I mean, we as a institute, frankly speaking, we won't recommend any person specific. Like, but it is better you take a wise call on what.
करेक्ट। मैं तो सामने से बोल रहा हूँ कि आप मनी बैक ले लो, पैसा सीखो और मनी बैक ले लो।
That's great.
पर सीखने को आ जाओ एक बार, यू हैव टू मेक दैट एफर्ट। एक बार आप आते हो ना तो आई एम 100% श्योर मैं काया पलट कर दूंगा आपके ऊपर, जादू कर दूंगा।
और एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा दिमाग में आता है सर, ये जो आपने कोर्स बताया, डज इट रिक्वायर्ड एनी क्वालिफिकेशन, या मुझे एक सर्टेन लेवल का अंडरस्टैंडिंग चाहिए? अगर मैं कॉमन हूँ, जैसा मुझे आई डोंट नो अबाउट द शेयर मार्केट, या मुझे बहुत कोई नॉलेज नहीं है, इवन आई कैन डू योर कोर्स?
मैं बोलूँ ना, मेरे लिए टफेस्ट स्टूडेंट कौन होता है मालूम है? जिसके पास नॉलेज है। मेरे लिए टफ स्टूडेंट है, क्योंकि वो उसके कोई फंडास होते हैं ना, वो मैं निकाल ही नहीं पाता हूँ। ऐसा नहीं होता। आई एम टेलिंग यू, 28 years का एक्सपीरियंस है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ ऐसा नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता। देन टू मोल्ड हिम इट इज डिफिकल्ट। पर जिसको कुछ नहीं मालूम, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ दैट इज अ स्टूडेंट, यानी 9th 10th 11th 12th वाला स्टूडेंट है, या ग्रेजुएशन चल रहा है, ऐसा स्टूडेंट मिला ना तो ही विल परफॉर्म द बेस्ट।
ओके,
एंड आई डोंट टेक इट एज एन ऑफेंस, बट सीएस को सिखाना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है।
Unlearn and relearn.
So next is, due to digital era and it is a real time information is available about retailer or every platform of digital trading, and big software maker may use this information for their greedy benefit. What is your public view and personal view?
हाँ, तो बिल्कुल वो फास्ट मनी तो बनता ही है इंट्राडे में, बट फाइनली वो सेलिंग भी आता है क्योंकि वो प्रॉफिट भी बुकिंग करता है। पर हम अगर इन्वेस्टर्स है तो डिलीवरी बेस्ड बाइंग जो आती है ना, वो पता चल जाती है। एंड अभी डिजिटल इरा का ही मैंने ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड दिखाया आपको, 140, 150, 100% रिटर्न्स इन द लास्ट 6 months। तो ऐसे स्टॉक्स भी मिलते हैं, तो पैसा बनता है। यू डोंट हैव टू वरी ऑन दैट।
सर अभी वापस एक क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ है, निफ्टी एट 15,000, we think Nifty at 15,000 is too costly, but you said it's not. I'll tell you by the end of this session. Please throw some light on this.
करेक्ट। अभी आपको ये समझना है कि निफ्टी की वैल्यू कहाँ से डिराइव होती है। निफ्टी की वैल्यू उसमें जो 50 स्टॉक्स है उससे डिराइव होती है। अभी क्या होता है, देयर इज अ चेंज इन द निफ्टी कंटेंट, यानी 2 साल पहले 50 स्टॉक्स और आज देखा जाए तो कई स्टॉक्स निकल गए और दूसरे ने ऐड हो गए। एम आई राइट और रॉन्ग? द अंडर परफॉर्मिंग स्टॉक्स निकल जाते हैं, परफॉर्मिंग स्टॉक्स आ जाते हैं। जो परफॉर्मिंग स्टॉक्स है ना, उसकी पहले से ही पी है ना बहुत बड़ी है, 50 पी है, 80 पी है, 100 पी है। वो अगर इंडेक्स में आ जाता है तो इंडेक्स का पी बढ़ जाता है। सो नाउ वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जो पुराना पी का जो फंडा था, 15 पी इंडेक्स का सस्ता और 25 का पी एक्सपेंसिव, नाउ द थिंग्स हैज टू चेंज। अभी 20 या 22 सस्ता और 35 महंगा, ऐसा we have to realign. As we progress, we have to understand that we have to change. वो चेंज नहीं करते हम लोग, हमारा माइंडसेट, और इसलिए हमें महंगा लगता है. Having said that, we are in the month of May right now, June right now. Okay, so जून में होता क्या है कि we start looking for the current year. पर जैसे जैसे हम दिसंबर के आसपास जाते हैं, जो कि तभी 4-5 महीने में ही जाएंगे, तो हम नेक्स्ट ईयर का डिस्काउंटिंग करने लगते हैं. सो इफ यू थिंक फ्रॉम अ 1 to 2 year डिस्काउंटिंग पी, तो आज का पी 21 है.
ओके.
1 year discounting, 2 year discounting, we are at 17. So we are not expensive at all. क्योंकि पिछले 2 साल में there was stagnation or stagnation in the industry. Stagnation के because of the stagnation, P और मार्केट ऊपर गया तो हमारा P ज्यादा दिखता है. But if the market start moving up, तो P उधर ही रहेगा, पर market will move up. So you have to correlate that and then understand कि P जो आपको महंगा लग रहा है तो नहीं है. First is we need to realign our P महंगा और सस्ता का valuations.
Okay. So next is, what is your view on small case?
Small caps, large caps, all are going to perform. I said if index is going to go to 1,50,000, सारे के सारे stocks जब bull market आता है ना तो चलते ही है. तो जब तक मेनिया फेज नहीं आता तब तक, वो पैराडाइम, नया पैराडाइम नहीं आता तब तक I don't think there is a risk. But at the fag end, we will stick to our technical analysis rule. Trailing stop loss से काम करते रहेंगे. We will not exit at the top, but very near the top we will exit. तो तब तक तो ride करना ही है.
So that question is, what is your view on small case?
Small caps बोलना है उनको, I am pretty sure.
Okay, okay. How to find company is overvalued or undervalued? I think वो
नहीं, वो फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस में होता है. टेक्निकल एनालिसिस में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. तो we trail our stop losses.
Okay. Chart are also historical data and it always look एकदम भारी. But how one could read correct future chart?
अरे वही तो सिखाने वाला हूँ.
Okay. Best sector to invest in at this moment, I think, due to in this pandemic, as everything looks overbought. Any sector, sir? Best sector?
नहीं, सेक्टर्स तो मेरे YouTube चैनल पे आपको पता चल जाएगा. मेटल सेक्टर in the last 3 months has performed. अभी I am looking at pharma, I am looking at consumption, I am looking at banking, NBFCs. These are the sectors that are looking good, but they keep on rotating. थोड़े दिन के बाद वो रुकेंगे और दूसरे सेक्टर्स चलेंगे. So it is not always एक सेक्टर for the next 5 years. ऐसा नहीं होता. So these are the sectors that you should keep an eye on.
How to learn price action theory?
वही सिखाने वाला हूँ.
How to find cup and handle breakouts? Is there any scanner developed by Kiran Jadhav and Associate?
No. We have a scanner for price patterns, and वो workshop के बाद आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कैसा है. And if you look at individual stocks, आपको वो दिखना चालू हो जाएगा.
Which TV channel is best, Zee Business or any other?
अरे मैं अगर जी बिजनेस पे हूँ तो मैं जी बिजनेस की बात करूंगा.
Okay. Can we buy what you recommended on TV channels?
देखिए, there are 2 things. जब मैं टीवी चैनल पे ट्रेडिंग व्यू देता हूँ तो वो ट्रेडिंग का व्यू है. अगर मैं डिलीवरी का व्यू लेता हूँ तो वो पूरे बात लोग सुनते नहीं है. मैं बोलता हूँ अगले 10 मिनट में ऊपर जाएगा तो लोग अगले 10 साल के लिए ले लेते हैं. वो गलत बात है. और जब मैं बोलता हूँ 10 साल के लिए रखना है तो वो 10 मिनट के लिए रखते हैं. So you have to take the whole thing into the picture to understand the thing, and you can buy. मैं कोई झूठ बीट बोलता नहीं हूँ. मैं जो बोलता हूँ टीवी चैनल पे, मैं टेक्निकल जिन्होंने किया है मैं उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन भी देता हूँ कि ये पैटर्न से क्या ब्रेकआउट है. तो आप जाके देख सकते हो कि पैटर्न है क्या नहीं, झूठ बोल रहा है किरण क्या नहीं. अगर झूठ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ तो बराबर है.
Okay. So what is more reliable for trading? First, price action theory or indicator or both?
ट्रेडिंग के बारे में हम बात नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि पहले इन्वेस्टिंग आती है, उसके बाद ट्रेडिंग आती है. So you have to first understand investing and then trading. And price action ही देखनी चाहिए trading के लिए to give an answer.
Okay.
Indicators are always lagging.
Sir, even CAs are good in fundamental analysis to some extent, but they are not good in technical analysis. So do you recommend NSC certification courses for CAs?
No, आपने सिर्फ टेक्निकल एनालिसिस मेरे से सीखा ना तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कोई सर्टिफिकेशन की जरूरत नहीं है आपको. ये दिस इज मोर देन इनफ. एंड कौन बोलता है कि सीए कैन नॉट डू इट? वी हैव गॉट दर्शन तो कीप सेंडिंग मेल्स टू मी कि ये है वो है. बिफोर मी फाइंडिंग इट आउट, दर्शन हैज फाउंड आउट कि ये स्टॉक ने ब्रेकआउट दिया है. एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ दर्शन फॉर दैट मैटर.
ग्रेट सर, ग्रेट. आपका स्टूडेंट है सर, और फिर
Yes,
से
yes,
औरंगाबाद को चमका रहा है वो.
True.
गुड दर्शन. इज अदानी ग्रुप ट्रस्टवर्दी?
I don't know, but that stock is making money for me, so I am happy.
Okay. What is the best time in the day for delivery based buying? Start of trading session or midway or 2:30? As Anil Singhvi sir says, last एक घंटे में बहुत कुछ हो जाता है जो दिन भर में नहीं हुआ.
नहीं, वो ट्रेडिंग के हिसाब से बोलते हैं, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हेन वी बाय ऑन टेक्निकल एनालिसिस और डिलीवरी बेस्ड, मैं तो पहले 5-10 मिनट में बाय कर लेता हूं, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट वरीड कि 2% ऊपर मिले या नीचे मिले, बिकॉज व्हेन द स्टॉक रैलीज 100%, 200%, तो 2% ऊपर नीचे से फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता.
राइट. व्हाट इज योर व्यू ऑन वॉल्यूम थ्योरी?
Very good. We have to know price action and volume action. That is where we come to know कि इसमें कितना दम है.
Okay. All are publicly saying there is a super cycle in metal. Can we assume it's time to exit in near?
No, the charts have not still given a sell signal, so we are trailing our stop losses.
Okay. View on swing trading, delivery based for 10-15 days.
Yes, very good. This theory that we learn, उसमें से बहुत आपको swing trades मिल जाएंगे.
Okay. Intraday or swing trading, which is better for beginner?
Beginner तो intraday करना ही नहीं चाहिए. I'll just tell you, in the last 1 year since the pandemic started, 60 लाख trading accounts खुल गए हैं. क्योंकि लोगों को क्या लगता है मालूम है कि सबसे आसान क्या है कि ले लो और बेचो बैठे बैठे घर. अगर इतना आसान होता तो क्या? सो इतना आसान नहीं है भाई. You need to do that right study because the money that you have is really hard earned. Do you believe that आपके पैसा बहुत मेहनत से कमाया है? तो अगर मेहनत से कमाया है तो then you have to do the right research before you put in your hard earned money as investments.
How to find undervalue stock?
नहीं, what value undervalue technical में आता ही नहीं है.
आता ही नहीं है.
Undervalued stock in a good market means that there is some problem with that company. आप undervalued stock लोगे तो वो undervalued ही रहेगा.
Okay, that comes in a fundamental analysis.
Yes, yes.
Is there hype being created for ethanol sector, or is there really some good money in short to mid term?
इधर और अगले 1 साल तक तो सेक्टर बहुत अच्छा देखने को मिलेगा. एंड आई एम 100% श्योर कि इथेनॉल स्टोरी चलेगी. मेरा क्रूड पे काफी बुलिश व्यू है. अगर क्रूड और ऊपर चलता है तो इंडिया के लिए थोड़े से प्रॉब्लमेटिक सिनेरियो आ सकते हैं in terms of the crude basket buying that we do. We are the maximum importer. तो उसके चलते आई थिंक आपको उस पे ध्यान देना चाहिए.
ओके सर, इनिशियली आपने वॉरेन बफे सर का बताया था कि he don't believe in cryptocurrencies because कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं होता. One question, any view on cryptocurrency? What is
do not put your money in cryptocurrencies.
Same view with you also.
Yes.
Okay. Does the circuit upgrade or downgrade gives market price movement signal for future investment?
No.
Okay. I think this is the last question. In audience, if you have a question, we have 10 minutes, else we'll wrap up the session.
We should utilize each minute of Kiran Jadhav.
That's why I told. सर ये जो आपका सेशन रहता है ये दिस इज 9 to 6 for 2 days full time.
Full time. We'll give you breaks in between for lunch and all. But since it will be from your home, जैसे आप भी कैसा वर्कशॉप चल रहा है ऐसा ही वर्कशॉप चलेगा.
Which
Sir,
book should
I have a query. I have a query,
yeah,
Praveen.
please.
Yes. Sir, there was a message from some female member that we have these seminars of full 9 to 6 timing. So can there be, they were telling ki it is difficult for female members to take out from 9 to 6 because of the other personal commitments. So maybe 3-4 hours for 3-4 days, can you arrange some seminars like that?
नहीं, it is not possible for me, you know. मैं I'll tell you, 2 दिन आपको निकालने हैं.
You means your company. I mean, KJ
नहीं,
and
if this workshop is generally taken by Ashish Kirkar, but since he is ill, I am going to conduct, or Ashish or me, both are too busy to do this. This is out of क्या बोलते हैं, I'm not getting the right words, but we like to teach. That's the reason why we are teaching. So it is not possible for us to give dedicated 2-3 hours every day. Weekend है तो हम सिखा के आपको we'll make it sure कि 2 दिन आप ऐसे 2 दिन छुट्टी पे जाते हो ना, तो ऐसे वो छुट्टी पकड़ के समझना चाहिए. 2 दिन कुछ ना करो, होटल से खाना मंगाओ, फैमिली को बोल दो कि 2 दिन कुकिंग नहीं होगा, तो उसमें क्या है. Then it will be fun. And once you learn this, I'm telling you, you don't have to क्या बोलते हैं, you don't have to work during market hours every day. क्योंकि ये जो theory है, what you have to do is आपको शाम के 6-6:30 के बाद 1 घंटा देना चाहिए, जहां पे आपको पता चलेगा कि कौन से स्टॉक्स अच्छे हैं जो मैं कल बाय करने वाला हूं, और आपको कल सवेरे 9:30 बजे बाय करना है और छोड़ देना है. मार्केट देखना नहीं है दिन भर. So your work is only 1 hour after the workshop. But then let's complete the workshop from start to end. क्योंकि क्या होता है, अगर आप मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे ऐसे 2-2, 3-3 घंटे का किया, तो उसमें से एक कोई तो बोलेगा मैं वेडनेसडे में नहीं था, तो वो रिपीट करो, तो वो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. There are other difficulties. मंडे को मेरे घर में कुछ हो गया, I cannot attend, तो वो वापस सब्जेक्ट कौन करने वाला है.
Praveen, there are some questions again.
Yeah. Which book should I read for trading or investment?
Don't read any books. Altered theory, I just give you an example. All these books are old theory books which are of no use for technical analysis.
Okay.
Praveen, one more question. Sir, whether market will be in bearish trend in July after Q1 results?
नहीं, I don't know, पर पहले तो जाने दो पहले ऊपर, उसके बाद YouTube पे आपको फ्री मिलने ही वाला है. तो अभी देखो, मैं अभी बोल रहा हूँ कि इधर से 16,800, तो उधर से 16,800 तो जाने दो, उसके बाद क्या होगा तो YouTube पे पता ही चलेगा. अगर 16,800 नहीं जाता है, 16,000 से यू टर्न ले रहा है, तो मैं बोलूंगा YouTube पे कि अभी यू टर्न ले रहा है. तो यू फॉलो द YouTube चैनल विच इज फ्री, और आपको मार्केट व्यू मिलता रहेगा.
Yes.
Do you arrange courses online or offline?
Sorry.
Courses are online or offline?
Online.
Currently
अभी ऑफलाइन होगा ही नहीं.
Right.
It is at your comfort and it is comfortable for us also and safe as well.
Yeah. Please,
so if we start investing in the best Nifty 10 companies, will it be a multi-bigger in 10-15 years?
No.
Okay.
Because there will be other stocks that will multiply even higher.
Sir, please share your views on Shapurji Palanji Group. Is it advisable for IPO investor of Sterling and Wilson Solar to average out their holding?
नहीं, I don't know about IPOs. ये listing के बाद technical analysis आता है.
Okay. Is it good to invest as per portfolios of mutual funds pattern?
No, they come out with reports after 1 month. तो उन्होंने बेचने के बाद आपको बोलेंगे बेचा है, तब तक तो भाव नीचे आ गया होगा.
Okay. Pivot point are really matter in charts?
No.
Should we always look for long term or do short term trading? जैसा आपने बताया सर, स्टॉक में चर्निंग करते रहना चाहिए. what you think?
Yes, churning होता है. That theory is what we are going to learn. The stock price will tell us whether we are going to take a long-term view or a short-term view.
Okay.
It will not depend on your view.
Okay.
One
नीलेश,
person has raised hand.
हाँ मैं अनम्यूट कर रहा हूँ उनको.
Yes, please. नीलेश जोजारे.
नीलेश जी
नीलेश
आपका
जी
अनम्यूट कीजिए आपको.
हेलो.
हाँ.
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था, जैसे आपने बोला शॉर्ट टर्म और लॉन्ग टर्म, तो इसमें किस टाइप की कंपनी हमने जज करनी चाहिए? जैसा अभी एक एग्जांपल मेरे पास में एक मेरे पास भी एशियन पेंट का स्टॉक है, 700 रुपीज से मैं उसको बाय कर रहा हूँ और अभी वो 3000 चल रहा है. तो इस टाइप में लॉन्ग टर्म में हम इस टाइप की कंपनी को कंटिन्यू बाय रख सकते हैं क्या?
बिल्कुल. जब तक हमारा ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस नहीं ट्रिगर होता तब तक हम होल्ड ही करेंगे इसको. तो वो ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस क्या होता है वो आपको वर्कशॉप में पता चल जाएगा.
ओके, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
और एक क्वेश्चन आया सर, इज इट वर्थ टू बुक द प्रॉफिट एट 5% एंड री एंटर एट डीप इवन इफ वी नो द स्टॉक विल गो अप?
ये कैसा क्वेश्चन हो गया? ऐसे कैसे? हाउ डू यू जज कि 5% से नीचे आएगा? अगर 5% में बेच दिया. अच्छा, एक सिंपल चीज कहता हूं, एक एग्जाम्पल देता हूं. एक फार्मर है और एक हम है. नॉर्मली इट इज सेड दैट फार्मर, आजकल के अलग है, बट लेट्स गो बैक इन द लास्ट 30 years पहले की बात करते हैं. Farmers generally were uneducated, right?
Right.
And we as white collar people consider ourselves as educated people, हुशार, correct? तो वो क्या करते हैं और हम क्या करते हैं? तो फार्मर क्या करता है? जो कुछ करता है पैसा कमाने के लिए करते हैं. हम इन्वेस्टर पैसा क्यों इन्वेस्ट करते हैं? पैसा कमाने के लिए करते हैं. सो दोनों का जॉब एक ही है. अभी ये फार्मर क्या करता है? उसका फार्म प्लाव करता है, बीज बोता है, पानी देता है. सो दैट इज व्हाट ही डज. हम क्या करते हैं? स्टॉक्स सिलेक्ट करते हैं, उसको लेते हैं, उस पे पानी डालते हैं. हम देखते हैं कैसा, हर रोज देखते हैं कैसे बढ़ रहा है. बराबर है. उसके भी प्लांट्स बढ़ते जाते हैं. हमारा जो शेयर है उसको मैं क्रॉप बोलता हूँ, वो हमारा क्रॉप बढ़ता है, उसका भी क्रॉप बढ़ता है. अभी हमारे फार्मर के खेत में क्या होता है कि क्रॉप के साथ साथ वीड्स भी आते हैं कि नहीं? वीड्स हमारे जो 10 स्टॉक लिए हैं उसमें से भी वीड्स आते हैं, यानी खराब शेयर्स आते हैं.
राइट.
पर एज ए इन्वेस्टर हम क्या करते हैं? जो अच्छा वाला स्टॉक है, जो 10% रैली दे जाता है, वो हम 10% वाला हम बेच देते, क्योंकि प्रॉफिट बुक करना है मुझे. 10%, 5%, जैसे अभी एग्जांपल आ गया, 5% पे मैंने प्रॉफिट बुक किया, 10% में मैंने प्रॉफिट बुक किया. और राह देखते हैं वो जो दूसरा स्टॉक है ना, जो बड़ा नहीं है या थोड़ा सा नीचे गया, कि वो जब बढ़ेगा तब मैं बेचूंगा. लॉस में तो बेचूंगा नहीं, मैं तो बहुत होशियार हूं. फार्मर क्या करता है कि वो जो क्रॉप है ना वो बढ़ रहा होता है, उसके साथ साथ वीड आता है. जो वीड आता है ना, तो इमीडिएटली वो वीड निकल के फेंक देता है. और पानी किसको देता है?
अच्छे वाले
क्रॉप को देता है. हम क्या करते हैं? जो क्रॉप है ना, जो आगे जाके पैसे देने वाला है, उसको ही काट देते हैं, और जो वीड है ना उसको पानी डालते रहते हैं, कभी ना कभी बढ़ेगा. अभी जो वीड आपके खेत में है, यानी आपके पोर्टफोलियो में है, वो आप बचा के रख रहे हो और अच्छा वाला स्टॉक प्रॉफिट बुक कर जा रहे हो. क्या मतलब हुआ? हमारी होशियारी कहाँ गई?
सर एक ये 5% वाला जो इन्होंने पूछा है, इसमें मेरे को, आई विल नॉट नेम द स्टॉक, हम लोगों ने बाय किया था, दर्शन डिड दैट एनालिसिस एंड वी बॉट दैट स्टॉक, से वी बॉट इट एट X रुपीस, और वो बाद में 10-15% दे दिया. so one of our friend also had bought it, we were discussing sometime over lunch, तो उसको भी 10-15% का रिटर्न मिल गया एंड ही वाज हैप्पी, और उसने उसको वहां पे बुक कर दिया कि थोड़ा नीचे आएगा तो और ले लेंगे या whatever type, because maybe he would have listened to somebody else also here, and he couldn't get that opportunity to buy, and today that stock is X plus 80%.
X plus
80%.
80%. X plus
80%,
80%. So
वही होता है.
maybe-
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि नॉर्मल कॉमन इन्वेस्टर्स जो है ना सर, उनके
Obviously,
पास, कॉमन
so
इन्वेस्टर्स
little.
के पास जो अच्छे स्टॉक्स है ना, उन्होंने लिए हैं और बेचे हैं और उधर से 10 टाइम्स ऊपर है, और जो खराब उनके पोर्टफोलियो में है उन्होंने लिए हैं और उसके नीचे है.
Yeah.
सर ये आपने फार्मर का जो एग्जांपल दिया ना, ये बहुत एकदम प्रॉपर एग्जांपल था, जो शायद अब सभी को रीथिंक करना पड़ेगा.
There's
next
last
is-
question there.
हाँ,
Grasim has
दो-
all-time breakout.
हाँ, ग्रासिम हैज ऑल टाइम ब्रेकआउट.
हाँ, दिया है ब्रेकआउट कल के सत्र में.
ओके. एंड सर और एक किसी ने पूछा है कि ऑफलाइन ट्रेनिंग में भी सेम फीस थी एंड इवन ऑनलाइन, इफ पॉसिबल कैन गिव सम मोर डिस्काउंट. दैट इज
सॉरी,
उनका बोलना है सर ऑफलाइन में भी सेम फीस स्ट्रक्चर था आपके कोर्स का, एंड नाउ इट इज ऑनलाइन, इवन द सेम फीस स्ट्रक्चर. इज देयर एनी डिस्काउंट? इफ
नहीं, मैं डिस्काउंट दूंगा पर हाफ ही सिखाऊंगा, चलेगा? सिखाने वाला तो सब है ना.
यस.
और आपके पैसे नहीं बच रहे क्या? आप औरंगाबाद से इधर नहीं आ रहे, होटल का खर्चा बच रहा है, सब कुछ बच रहा है, तो मैंने तो ज्यादा मांगना चाहिए आपसे.
And one more thing, he has already assured about extension of that discount for us,
मनी बैक गारंटी.
till Tuesday for those who will be joining and writing their Aurangabad Tea Association on online yet.
यस, वो लिखना जरूरी है, बहुत जरूरी है.
Already the discount has been extended, and whoever would desire to join that, you please write that. Otherwise, later on we'll tell the back office team, नहीं मैं लिखने का भूल गया था, but I am from the same stream. So let us not go into those details. Whoever wishes to join, I mean, it's an individual call for everybody whether one has to go for that course or not.
Yes.
Yes, over to you, Praveen. We can conclude now.
all the questions are over, sir. The session, the knowledge you have given, बहुत सारे मेरे भी कंसेप्ट क्लियर हुए. आई थिंक सेम विद द ऑडियंस आल्सो. आपने बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें जो हम मिस्टेक करते थे वो बताई, और टेक्निकल एनालिसिस तो आपका था ही अच्छा, जो हिसाब से आपने आपके स्टॉक्स बताए. सर आई रियली थैंक यू कि आपने इतने बिजी शेड्यूल में से टाइम निकाला और हम सभी को आपका नॉलेज शेयरिंग किया. द स्पेशल थैंक्स टू दर्शन वंस अगेन, क्योंकि उसी के वजह से ये वर्कशॉप हम आपको इनवाइट कर पाए और वर्कशॉप कंडक्ट कर पाए. तो थैंक यू दर्शन. And I thank all the audiences who have joined from Aurangabad and Nagar branch. Now, sir के बहुत सारे courses चलते हैं. I hope all will take wise decision and independently with their independent thoughts to join or not join. That is their independent call. Sir, I thank you once again and will wait for your next session to be conducted by us.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Hope to meet you in person with Darshan.
Yes, sir, for sure. That will be
Why
more
not? Why not?
excited.
Let this lockdown get over, then we'll surely meet.
Yes, yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. धन्यवाद.